Let me show you how this tape protects your valuables from tampering or prying eyes. First, grab the 2-inch wide roll, waterproof and heat-resistant, from the box. Secondly, tear off a strip and press it over your package seal, like armor for your stuff. When the box is delivered or when you open it later, just the tape first. If someone tries to peel it off, the tape will reveal bold, void open text and leave behind a stubborn, impossible to clean adhesive residue on the surface. But if the tape stays fully intact without showing void open, that means your seal was never broken and everything inside is 100% secure.
Keep the pocket safe. Protect your valuables.